Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of equivalent single wheel load. Now the question is written as calculate equivalent single wheel load of a dual wheel assembly carrying 2050 kg load on each wheel for pavement thickness of 5 cm and 15 cm with center to center spacing between tires is 30 cm and clear distance is 12 cm. Now in the question it is given that the load on single tire will be equals to 2050 kg. Center to center spacing between the tire is given as 30 centimeter and clear distance, that is small d, is equals to 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the equivalent single wheel load on pavement thickness of 5 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So we know the formula of equivalent single wheel load, that is log 2p minus log p upon log 2s minus log d by 2 will be equals to log 2p minus log pz divided by log 2s minus log z. Now we have all the values, that is 2p, p, 2s, d by 2, 2p, 2s. Now we need to find the value of pz here. Now we will put the value one by one, that is log 2p value is equals to 2 into 2050 minus log p, that is 2050 divided by log 2s, that is 2 into 30 minus log d by 2, that is 6, which will be equals to log 2p, that is 2 into 2050 minus log pz upon log 2s, that is 2 into 30 minus log z, that is 15 centimeter, because we have to find the pz value for 15 centimeter pavement thickness. Now after solving this, we will have the pz value equals to 2701 kg, that is the equivalent single wheel load at a pavement thickness of 15 centimeter. Now we know that up to d by 2 depth, the equivalent single wheel load will be equals to p. Now up to 12 by 2, that is 6 centimeter, equivalent single wheel load will be equals to 2050 kg, which is given in the question. Now we have to find equivalent single wheel load at a pavement depth of 5 centimeter. So at 5 centimeter, the equivalent single wheel load will be equals to 2050 kg. Now we had determined the equivalent single wheel load for 5 centimeter depth, that is 2050 kg, and for 15 centimeter depth, that is 2701 kg. That is all about this numerical. Thank you students.